What Do We Eat by Morgan Akins. My name is Herb the Rabbit. I love to hop, help my friends, and play hopscotch. My mom named me Herb because I love to eat herbs and plants. In fact, that is all I like to eat. You can call me a herbivore. These are some of my friends that also love to eat plants as much as me. My name is Colin the Shark. I like to cuddle, camp with friends, and color with crayons. My mom named me Colin because I love to eat carne asada. In fact, meat is all I like to eat. You can call me a carnivore. These are some of my friends that also love to eat meat as much as me. My name is Otis, and I am a human. I like to open things, sing opera with my friends, and create origami. My mom named me Otis because I love to eat almost everything from oats to oysters. In fact, I love to eat plants and meat. You can call me an omnivore. These are some of my friends that also love to eat plants and meats as much as me.